So today we will be learn about your MS Excel, that is a practically. Okay. So in the last lecture I explained you all the things theoretically. So today we will take the practical. So now first some things about your MS Excel. Your MS Excel is a tabulated data, and your MX Excel is a very popular for a data processing in your offices. A spreadsheet, a MS Excel window opening that documents, that is called a spreadsheet. So that a spreadsheet is a computer application. Spreadsheet is a computer application that simulates a paper accounting worksheet. It displays a multiple cells in two-dimensional matrix consisting of rows and columns. And that Excel, you are having like a table, that is having your rows and columns. Now, in that, see, so now we will start practically how to start your MX Excel, and what is the components in that window. Okay, so wait a minute.
Yes. So now see, this is your desktop of your computer. This is your desktop of a computer. Yes. And in that, this is your down bar. It's known as a task bar. What is it known? It's known as a task bar. Okay. In that task bar, left side corner, having a one start button. So what you do now, हमें क्या करना है? Open Excel. So how to open an Excel? So in that taskbar, in the left side corner, start button is there. So you first click on in your start button. Yes. So this menu will appear. Yes. In that menu, you click on all programs. See, in that all programs, your MS Office option is there. Means your Microsoft Office. So you click on your Microsoft Office. In that Microsoft Office Excel is there. Okay, you have to see. You all are look at the mouse pointer. Where I move my mouse pointer. मैं माउस पॉइंटर कहाँ पे रख रही हूँ, कौन से मेनू पे वहां पे क्लिक कर रही हूँ. You look at on your that mouse pointer. Okay. So now I click here. So one window will appear. So that window, it's your MS Excel window. This is your Microsoft Office Excel. Yes. This is your Microsoft Office Excel window. See, it's having tables. It's a look like at your tables. It's having rows and columns also. Okay. So now we will start one by one. We will start first from your home office button. See, in that office button, two parts is there. Office buttons के कितने parts है? Two parts है. In that two parts, one part is your list of commands. One part क्या है? Your list of commands. And your second part, see, this is your list of commands. And this second part is your list of open documents. See, this is your list of open documents. So in that office button, your new, see, your new, open, save as, print, prepare, send, publish, and close. This option is there. Okay, and this is the your list of your documents. जो documents पे हमने work किया है, that documents will list is here. So in that office buttons, you use these commands for your files. New, open, save, and save as. Okay, see, and this is your title bar. You know your title bar. See, this first bar is known as a title bar. So in that title bar, your file name is there. जो भी हम लोग फाइल नेम देते हैं अपने फाइल को, वो फाइल का नेम हमें कहाँ मिलता है? On your title bar. And in that title bar, see, left side corner में some commands are there. In the left side corner, some commands are there, and in that commands के side में one small arrow also there. So this bar is known as a quick access toolbar. This bar is known as a quick access toolbar, and in that a quick access toolbar, you do some commands here. See, shortcuts of your commands like your save, undo, redo, your new, your print preview option. So see, so how to add these commands in your quick access toolbar? You are click here. See, this is the menu will appear. This is the drop down list is appear. Okay. So now जो कमांड्स हमारे क्विक एक्सेस टूल बार पे है, उसके सामने यहाँ पे राइट टिक किया गया हुआ है ना? जो कमांड्स यहाँ है, सेव है, तो सेव के सामने राइट टिक है. योर अनडू, रीडू दोनों ऑप्शन है. योर न्यू ऑप्शन है. यस. सो नाउ आई वांट टू ऐड ओपन. मुझे ओपन भी यहाँ पे लाना है इन दैट बार. सो व्हाट आई डू I click on open. Okay, see, my open का जो shortcut commands है वो आया यहाँ पे. Commands जो shortcut command है वो आया यहाँ पे. Yes, so you add also in that column and you will remove also. Okay, हम लोग यहाँ से see यहाँ पे इतने commands दिख रहे हैं. You click on your more commands. तो यहाँ पे many commands दिखेंगे. इसमें इस कमांड्स में से आप कौन सा भी कमांड्स अपने एक्सेस टूलबार पे ला सकते हो, सेट कर सकते हो, जो तुम्हें जिसका नीड ज्यादा से ज्यादा यूज होता है वो कमांड्स. सो लाइक अगर मुझे ये प्रिंट प्रीव्यू है, मुझे ये रिमूव करना है. सो व्हाट आई डू, आई सिलेक्ट द प्रिंट प्रीव्यू ऑप्शन एंड रिमूव इट. सी फ्रॉम हियर you click on the OK. So on this bar your print preview option will erase. यहाँ से निकल गया print preview option. Okay, and you add also and remove also. Okay, so this is the your quick access toolbar. And this down bar is known as a menu bar. It's a menu bar. And in that menu bar, some tabs are there. Your home, your insert, your page layout, formulas, data, review, view. This is the menus in your menu bar, and this is your one menu bar, and this is called a ribbon. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Ribbon. It is called your ribbon. And in that ribbon, this is small parts है. ये जो small parts है, this parts, it's a ribbon tabs. It's called your tabs. See, this is also called a home tab. This is the home tab, and this your small जो इस home tab में, this is small group. जो group बन के one tab है, that is your group tab. Okay, and see in that group tabs every group tabs में in the right side corner में one small arrow is there. दिख रहा है सबको? Small arrow. Yes. So that small arrow is known as a dialog box launcher. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Dialog box launcher. If you are click here, so ये जो मेनू है वो इसमें जो मेनूज है वो ओपन होता है. See, this is your clipboard. So here clipboard will open. Okay. If you close it, this is the close. See your font style, your click here, so your format cells window will open. See, in that font window, your numbers, your alignments, font, border, fill color, protection, all things is there. जो यहाँ पे shortcuts में है, वो सभी हम लोग को यहाँ पे click करने के बाद यहाँ मिलते हैं. Yes, this is your alignments. ये क्या है? Alignments. In that alignments, your some numbers, alignments, font, border, fill, protection, all thing is there. Okay. Your in that numbers में भी same things है. Your styles, जो styles है वो, your sales, your editing. Okay. So this all in that all menus, some tabs are there, group tabs is there. Your home, there, this is your home tab. Now this is your insert tab. In that insert tab, your tables, illustrations, charts, links, and text. This is the small tab, group tabs. Okay. Your page layout. In that page layout, your theme, page setup, scale to fit, sheet options, your arrange. Your formulas. In that formulas, your function library, define names, your formula auditing, calculations. In that data, see, इसमें जो get external data, connection, sort and filter, your data tools, your outlines, in that review, your proofing, your comments, your changes, and your view, workbook views, show hide, your zoom, your window, and micros. So this is the your all tabs, and this is your ribbons. ये जो all tabs के जो है, that is called a ribbons. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Ribbons. Okay. See, now in that down ribbon के down में, this is your formula bar. You know that this is your formula bar. And this is your insert icon, insert function. Yes, this is your insert function, and this is your formula bar. And see here, this is your spreadsheet. Yes, in that spreadsheet, small cells is there. See, that's the rows and columns के जो format है, that जो tables का format है, in that tables में जो ये small, it's called a cell. You know that? It's called a cell. And जो cell activate है, that is highlighted with in a black border. वो कैसे highlight होगा? In your a black border में. Yes. So now see. This is my A column. In that A column, this cell will selected. This cell will selected. Now see, इस सेल का नेम हमें कहाँ मिलेगा कि ये कौन सा सेल है, कौन सा सेल सिलेक्ट किया हुआ है. This is your A. कॉलम कौन सा है, कॉलम हेडर कौन सा है, A. And your row header कौन सा है, 5. So in the combination of your column header and row header, your cell name is that. See, your A5. See, this is the your cell name A5. A5. This is your name box. ये क्या है अपना name box है. In that name box, your cell name is appear. Your cell name कहाँ पे मिलता है हमें? In your name box में. अपने नेम बॉक्स में, in the combination of your column header and your row header. See, now I select the A5 cell. See, जो सेल सिलेक्ट है उसका कॉलम हेडर हाईलाइट होगा एंड उसका रो हेडर भी हाईलाइट होगा विथ येलो कलर, विथ येलो कलर से ये दोनों जो हेडिंग से वो हाईलाइट होंगे. सो इफ आई सिलेक्ट, see, I select now this cell. So now which cell highlighted? This one. And which column name will highlighted? Your D. And which row name? Your 10. So this cell is name is your D10. This cell का name क्या है? D10. So this D10 is appear in your name box. अपने name box में हमें अपने cell का name आएगा. Okay. So this is your column heading and this is your row header. This is your column header and this is your row header. Okay. जो भी सेल से सिलेक्ट होगा उस सेल का नेम हमें यहाँ पे मिले in your name box in the form of in the combination of your column header and your row header. Okay. And this is your spreadsheet. ये क्या है अपना? One spreadsheet है. And each cell contains a alphanumeric text. In that each cell में हम लोग अपने alphabets type कर सकते हैं या your numbers also you are doing. Okay. Now this is, here is your down bar. What is this bar? In that bar, see, यहाँ पे आपको sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 दिख रहा है? Yes. So this is your sheet name. What is this? This is your sheet name. It's a by default name. ये by default name आता है. Yes. Now, जब भी हम लोग एक्सेल ओपन करते हैं, उस एक्सेल में जो शीट ओपन होता है उसका बाय डिफॉल्ट नेम हमें मिलता है शीट 1. ओके. अगर 2-3 शीट्स ओपन है तो शीट 1, शीट 2 और शीट 3. ओके. So now this is your sheet 1 and so now this sheet tab, I want to rename this sheet. अगर मुझे इस शीट को रीनेम करना है, what I do, I click here, right click and I do here rename. Okay. So I type here my sheet name. See what I type. I type a 4th A. Yeah. So again I want to rename it. So again same process will appear. Now I type here 4th C. Okay. Same like that your sheet 2 also will rename. You click here, right click and you click on your rename option. You type your sheet name 4D. Okay. Now ये हो गया अपने 4C और 4D. मैंने 2 शीट बनाए हैं. ऐसे आप एक फाइल में मेनी शीट्स आप बना सकते हो. मेनी शीट्स इन वन फाइल में आप लोग ऐड कर सकते हो. होल क्लास के भी शीट्स हम लोग अपने दिस वन फाइल में बना सकते हैं. सो कैसे? हाउ टू ऐड अ शीट. सी यू आर क्लिक हियर. This is your add a new sheet icon. Insert a worksheet. If you click on here, your sheet will add. See, sheet 4 आ गया. Sheet 4 आया यहाँ पे. If you want a 4D and sheet 3 इन दोनों के बीच में अगर हम लोगों को sheet चाहिए, so you click on your right click and you click on your insert. So insert के बाद हमें ये अपना विंडो आएगा. Here is a worksheet. So you select your worksheet and you click on OK option. So see, your sheet 5 will add 4D और sheet 3 के बीच में ये sheet 5 add हो गया. So ऐसे हम लोग sheet add भी कर सकते हैं और sheet remove भी कर सकते हैं. So how to remove your sheet? You click on, right click on your sheet and you click on your delete. You click on here delete. So your sheet will delete it. हो गया अपना शीट 5 जो आया था वो डिलीट हो गया, शीट 5 शीट. See now which sheet is open? Now see, I click on a 4th C option. So that 4th C option, it's in a white. ये चेंज हो गया व्हाइट में. सी अदर शीट्स के नेम्स कैसे हैं? ये बॉक्स में है, इट्स नॉट ओपन, वो बॉक्स में है और इट्स थोड़ा सा स्काई ब्लू कलर में है. और अपना 4th सी कैसे है? इट्स ओपन, इसके ऊपर लाइन नहीं है. सो इसका मीन्स क्या है? अपना 4th सी का शीट ओपन है. इसका मीन्स क्या है? ये हमारा कौन सा शीट ओपन है? अपने 4th सी का. ये शीट अपना 4th सी का ओपन है. If I click on 4D, so now this 4D sheet will open. If I click on sheet 4, so this sheet 4 will open. Okay, so ये याद रखो कि अगर हमारे शीट में मेनी शीट्स है और हमें अगर कोई वन शीट पे काम कर रहा है तो हमने कौन सा शीट ओपन किया है? शीट के नेम्स के तरफ ध्यान रखना है अभी, और नीचे देखना है कि हमारा कौन सा शीट ओपन है और हम लोग कौन से शीट में वर्क कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो नाउ ये हो गया अपने शीट्स नेम, हाउ टू ऐड योर शीट एंड हाउ टू रिमूव योर शीट्स. ओके, so this is your status bar, this is your scroll bar, this down is your scroll bar and this is your status bar. That is scroll bar, your sheet will move. See, your down scroll bar, your sheet will move left to right side, and your up scroll bar, your sheet will move up and down. हमारा sheet कैसे होगा? Up and down में move होगा. And this, in that right side corner, जो status bar के right side corner में है. See, this is your zoom slider. This is your zoom slider. Zoom out and zoom in. Now our हमारा sheet कैसे 100% में है. If I click here minus, तो मेरा sheet small होते जाएगा. See, sheet small होते जा रहा है, हमारे cells भी छोटे छोटे हो रहे हैं. If you click on here zoom in option, that is your plus sign, your sheet will big. Sheet big हो गया अपना. Yes, अपना sheet big हो गया. So this is your zoom slider and this is your, sorry, light is gone. How to rename your sheet, how to do your sales name, sales के names हमें कैसे देना है क्या, या उसके उसे नेम कैसे, कौन से कॉम्बिनेशन में अपने सेल्स के नेम है. ओके, so all the things are covered. Okay, so I think you all are understand your MS Excel. That is your Excel sheet. Okay, so your worksheet, that is called a spreadsheet and a worksheet also. So that spreadsheet or worksheet, it's made of columns and rows. So it's having many columns and many rows in that. It's having 256 columns or others 1000 million columns or 65,536 your rows. Okay, that is labeled with the alphabets. Your columns heading, it's you using your alphabets, and your rows heading, it's using your numbers. Okay, so your cells are used to store your several different types of information such as your data, your text labels or formulas. जो cells हमने देखे now, जो cells हमने देखे on your screen, in that cells में you store your data, your text, your numbers or your formulas also. You do your text labels. Okay, and each cell contains a alphanumeric text. Each cell contains your alphanumeric text. each cell में हम लोग alphabets भी डाल सकते हैं, numbers भी add कर सकते हैं, and you do calculations also. You do the calculations also in your Excel sheet. Okay. So this is the your Microsoft Excel window. So now how to start your Microsoft Excel? First, you click on your start button that is appear in the left side corner on your taskbar. Okay. First, you click on your start button. Then you click on your all programs. After that, you click on your Microsoft Office option. And after that, you click on your MS Excel. That is your Microsoft Excel. Your MS Excel is a part of Microsoft Office. MS Excel भी अपने Microsoft Office का ही part है. And this Microsoft Excel is used in your offices for the data processing. Data processing के लिए ये अपने offices में use होता है. It's in that Excel you do the menu calculations, you are add a date and time also, you do the charts also, your pivot tables also. जो ग्राफ्स आप लोग बनाते हो मैथमेटिक्स में, मैथ्स में, like x एक्सिस y एक्सिस, so same like चार्ट्स हम लोग हमारे एक्सेल शीट में भी बना सकते हैं. Same Excel. Your report card also use in your MS Excel. Okay, so this is the your MS Excel. और Excel में और अभी next क्या है वो हम लोग next lecture में देखेंगे. Okay, I hope you all are understand all the components of your MS Excel part.